We woke up on a Saturday morning and my heater had gone out during the night. It turns out it was going to be my daughter's birthday party that day. Patriot Pros came out. It was just a matter of 2 days from the time it went out until they had a new unit up and working again.
We had to call Patriot Pros out because we had a leak, a flood down to our basement from the refrigerator. We were trying to troubleshoot and figure out how to turn off the water and it didn't work, so Javier came out and helped fix it.
When the techs found out that it was my daughter's birthday, going to be her 26th birthday, and she has Down syndrome and is in love with Frozen, my heart was touched by all of the office at Patriot Pros chipping in and helping my daughter celebrate her birthday.
So we've been using Patriot Pros for quite a while, and they're always professional, on time, and do the work great. We've referred our family and friends to them over and over. Right now we have the guys working on the air conditioning so that we stay cool this summer. Looking forward to that.
I appreciate the fact that Patriot Pros supplied several portable units to keep us warm for the day or two until they were able to put the new unit in on Monday. So they work with me and we're able to get a really good percentage rate on financing and made it where it was as painless as can be to put in a new furnace.